Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the weekly analysis for today, the 7th of April, towards the 14th of the 4th month of 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames, weekly chart, obviously overextended, long range candlestick right at the end of the major support. Very important connotations we can see at this point, and few things can happen during the course of this week. And the first one, and obviously the one that so many people don't want to hear and other ones would love to hear it and would love and they love to see it, is the fact that this particular retracement can continue and it can end up turning into a sell-off. They will try to bring the price below 382.21, and the worst case scenario, if this happens, the price will have sufficient space, no obstacles on the left hand side, to either reach this particular red cluster. Actually it's a red candlestick, but it's a small cluster, that it can actually be the next visit for the price on a potential retracement 156.20. that will be the next target weekly, obviously, on the weekly analysis. In the worst case scenario, the SMA 200 145 with 91. This is the situation, and the market is showing us that potential obviously potential opportunities on a bearish side can be possible. The other case scenario is actually intraday, and I'm gonna show you right now what's happening, especially with the 3-day chart. Very important. This is the situation with the 3-day chart. As you can see, this is the trading chart that is showing us right now a previous retracement, overextended, a dodgy candlestick. This is basically uncertainty. People are not sure if the price continues the retracement or not. Now, this particular formation is happening right above the major support, which is very good, and also is above the SMA 200, which is located at 314. Two things can happen. This could be just a new B formation, a bearish pattern, that it can end up just creating enough a consolidation to push the price back down again, once again penetrate below 416 with 11, and why not the next target could be below 400 towards 382, and 314 will be something possible in case the seller's volume brings more retracements in that sense. The other situation is, obviously, we need a new pattern. We need a new lower high. This lower high can start building in this way, and what I'm saying here is a new uptrend can try to reach 509 with 98, and if that happens, but instead of building a new higher low, that particular lower high, instead of building that lower high, the price fails and creates a lower high failure. We might see the price once again reaching this particular resistance. It's a minor resistance. It used to be a consolidation, and now it's a resistance, and that will be something. It could be the new target for this week, and that target could be 656.95. Something that is possible now that we see the price trying to consolidate in this area, and we see more bottom tails than usual. These bottom tails actually are showing us there is potential buyers trying to push the price once again back up, and why not trying to deny previous retracement or previous lower highs. And this is the daily chart, the last chart for this week, that we can see something that can happen. This is a new potential lower high in construction. This lower high can either continue with the retracement and try to reach 400, and why not 382, the worst case scenario. Now, this other situation can happen today, and is during the rest of this during the course of the week. Instead of building that lower high fails, and the price tries to push himself back up again and reaches 509 with 98. If that happens, we might see a new potential higher low patterns in the small time frames intraday, and why not the next target for this particular denial, or this particular lower high failure, which is the daily in the daily chart, could be 562 with 48. That's the SMA 200. Counter trends on their way. Thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.